Meaning of furthermost.
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 Furthermost. The word furthermost is an adjective that describes the utmost or farthest point or distance. It is often used to refer to a physical location that is the furthest away from a given point, such as the furthermost corner of a room or the furthermost edge of a field. In a more abstract sense, it can be used to describe the ultimate or highest extent of something, such as the furthermost limit of human endurance. Overall, furthermost emphasizes the concept of distance, both physical and metaphorical, and highlights the extreme or outermost boundaries of a particular situation or context.